Hello beauties, welcome to Women Styles. We have this beautiful haircut that when it's well styled, it goes a long way. This is one of the best haircuts that will always frame your face and add volume, exactly where it's needed. Another thing about the style is that it's one of the most timeless haircuts for women of any age. It's a classy yet modern haircut and it's easy to style. This haircut, you can see how certainly it is flattering and it is so popular for a reason. So this is a beautiful style that beautiful women need to try because they are really modern and they are a cut that will really make every woman to stand out in the crowd. So sometimes aging with style is about maintaining that gracious and respectable look. And what better way to do so than just finding that right hairstyle? So we have these beautiful styles that will really um take many years of your age, and they are incredibly versatile and youthful. So with this in mind, let me just let you guys to please try check out those style that will refresh your appearance and show off your natural beauty. You can pick a fashionable and refined glam that will always complement your personal taste and your facial features. So don't forget to try out one of the styles we have and see how this haircut would look on you, because short hairstyles is really trending, and it's a style that will look great for any woman that want to create a new and youthful look. So from the medium length cut with layers to a short and layered Pixie, you can't go wrong when you're going short, especially if you're over 50 looking for a more youthful vibe. Don't be afraid, to allow your natural color to show through either short curls while you're still welcoming your natural color. Let me just let you guys to please watch the rest of the videos we have. Let us know your minds in the comment section below. I just want to appreciate my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you guys and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.